Ever found yourself staring at your bank statement, a chill running down your spine as you realize you've done it again? You've overspent. That feeling of dread, the confusion about where all your hard-earned money went, it's a universal struggle. But what if there was a way to proactively stop that financial bleed? What if your bank could essentially tap you on the shoulder and say, hey, maybe hold off on that impulse buy? Well, for those of you banking with Rogers Bank, or even if you're just exploring options for smarter money management, you're in luck. Rogers Bank offers a robust system of alerts designed to do just that, help you stay within your budget and avoid the dreaded overspending trap. But simply having alerts isn't enough. It's about knowing how to leverage them, how to customize them, and how to actually listen to them. This isn't just about avoiding overdraft fees, though that's a huge benefit. This is about gaining control, achieving financial peace of mind, and making your money work for you, not the other way around. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Rogers Bank alerts. We're going to uncover the best strategies, practical tips, and even some psychological tricks to ensure these notifications become your most powerful allies in the fight against overspending. So, if you're ready to transform your financial habits and say goodbye to that "where did my money go" feeling, stick around. This is going to be a game changer. Let's start with the foundation, understanding the types of alerts Rogers Bank offers. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. You have a range of options, each designed to address different aspects of your spending. First up, and arguably the most crucial for avoiding overspending, are transaction activity alerts. These are your real-time financial watchdogs. You can set these up to notify you for a variety of activities. Purchases made above a certain amount, this is your first line of defense. Think about your typical daily or weekly spending. If you rarely spend more than $50 on a single transaction, setting an alert for anything over, say, $75 or $100, will immediately flag larger, potentially unplanned expenses. This gives you a moment to pause and consider if that purchase truly aligns with your budget. Online or foreign transactions, these can sometimes be hidden culprits of overspending, especially with currency conversion fees or unexpected international charges. Getting an alert for these can help you track them more closely and identify any suspicious activity quickly. Declined transactions. While frustrating in the moment, a declined transaction alert can be a blessing in disguise. It signals that you've hit a limit or a balance threshold, prompting you to review your funds before attempting another purchase. It's a hard stop that prevents further damage. Beyond individual transactions, Rogers Bank also provides balance alerts. These are about keeping an eye on your overall financial health. Low balance alerts. This is absolutely essential. You can set a threshold, for example, to be notified when your account balance drops below $200 or $500. This warning gives you time to adjust your spending, transfer funds, or simply be more mindful before you hit zero and incur overdraft fees. It's like having a financial early warning system. High balance alerts. While less about overspending and more about savings, a high balance alert can still be beneficial. It can signal that you have excess funds that could be moved into a savings account or invested, preventing the temptation to spend money that could be working harder for you. Then there are payment reminders and due date alerts. While not directly about overspending in the moment, these alerts are vital for maintaining financial stability and avoiding late fees, which are essentially a form of wasteful spending. Upcoming bill reminders. Rogers Bank can notify you a few days before a scheduled payment is due. This is invaluable for ensuring you have sufficient funds in your account and that you don't miss any critical deadlines. Payment posted alerts. Knowing when a payment has successfully gone through can give you peace of mind and help you reconcile your budget more accurately. Finally, Rogers Bank offers security and profile change alerts. While these are primarily for fraud prevention, they indirectly help prevent overspending by safeguarding your accounts. If your card details are compromised, unauthorized transactions can quickly deplete your funds. Alerts for changes to your personal information or suspicious login attempts empower you to act immediately, limiting potential financial damage. So, you know the types of alerts. Now, how do you actually use them effectively to avoid overspending? It's not just about turning them on and hoping for the best. It requires a strategic approach. Tip 1. Customize your alerts to your spending habits and goals. This is perhaps the most critical step. Don't just accept default settings. Think about your personal financial situation. Be realistic with your thresholds. If you typically make several small purchases daily, a notify me for every transaction alert might overwhelm you. Instead, focus on amounts that signal a larger than usual expense. Conversely, if you want to be extremely disciplined, setting a lower threshold might be exactly what you need. Consider your income cycle. If you get paid bi-weekly, adjust your low balance alerts to reflect the times when your funds are naturally lower. You might need a higher threshold right before payday to ensure you don't run dry. Align with your budget. If you've allocated a specific amount for dining out or entertainment for the week, set alerts that trigger when you're approaching, say, 75% or 80% of that budget. This requires a bit more manual tracking or using a budgeting app in conjunction, but the synergy is powerful. Tip 2. Choose your notification method wisely. Rogers Bank allows you to receive alerts via text message or email. Text messages for immediate action. For critical alerts like low balance or large transactions, text messages are often more effective because they're immediate and harder to ignore. They provide that instant ping that makes you pause. Emails for detailed review. For less time-sensitive information, or if you prefer a more comprehensive overview, email alerts can be better. You can review them at your convenience without constant interruptions. Don't overdo it. Receiving too many notifications can lead to alert fatigue, where you start ignoring them altogether. Prioritize the alerts that truly help you prevent overspending and choose the method that ensures you'll actually see and process them. Tip 3. Set up a cool-down period for large purchases. This is a psychological trick that works wonders. For any purchase above a certain amount, e.g., $150, $200, set an alert. When you receive that alert, commit to a cool-down period, say, 24 hours, before finalizing the purchase. During this time, revisit your budget, consider if it's truly a need or a want, and think about the long-term implications. Often, that pause is all it takes to realize the purchase isn't necessary or can wait. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.